chilling with the folks I know. I'ma be under the mistletoe. Word on the streets and it's going tonight. Baby's flying through the sky so high. I should be making a list, I know. I'ma be under the mistletoe. You, shawty with you. You, shawty with you. Under the mistletoe. With you, shawty with you. Under the mistletoe, and the wise men follow the stars, the way I follow my heart, and it led me to a miracle in love. Don't you worry nothing, 'cause I am feeling one thing. Your lips on my lips, it's a very it's the most beautiful time of the year. So much here. I know I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe with you, shawty with you, with you, shawty with you, with you. Under the mistletoe, with you, shawty with you, shawty with you. Under the mistletoe, kiss me underneath the mistletoe. Show me, baby, that you love me so. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Gabriel. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Hey, stop mo na yung music, stop mo na yung music. Stop mo na. Ayan, gusto ko lang ulit salamat sa SM San Lazaro and sa lahat na pumunta dito sa SM San Lazaro. Christmas show ng SM San Lazaro, Christmas season. And ito, attire din ako ng costume long for Christmas because Christmas is a very nice time of the year. Tsaka marami talaga tayong tutulad dito. Lalo na yung pagmamahal sa isa't isa. Ayan, lalo na yung dahil nga ito talaga yung time na importante na magmahal-mahal tayong lahat. Ayan. Ito naman, next song ko ay ito, gawin naman natin yung mga songs ng dad ko. Para ito sa lahat ng mga babae. Hi, sir!